Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your Trust Wallet. So launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Now access the DAX or the centralized exchange. In Just Wallet, tap on the DApps or Browser tab at the bottom of the screen. This will open the built-in web browser within the Trust Wallet app. Now connect to a decentralized exchange. In the Trust Wallet browser, navigate to a decentralized exchange platform that supports the USDT or TRX trading pair. Popular options including PancakeSwap, JustSwap, and or any other DEX that offers TRX trading pairs. Now connect Trust Wallet to the DEX. So on the DEX website, look for a Connect Wallet or Connect button. Tap on it and select Trust Wallet from the list of available wallets. This will establish a connection between Trust Wallet and the DEX. Okay, so now access the USDT or TRX trading pair. So once connected to the DEX, locate the USDT or TRX trading pair or the TRX market. On most DEX platforms, you can search for the trading pair or find it in the list of available markets. Now enter the amount to swap. In the trading interface, specify the amount of USDT you want to swap for TRX. You may have the option to enter the amount manually or use a percentage slider based on your available USDT balance. Now review the transaction details. So take a moment to review the transaction details, including the swap rate, fees, and estimated amounts. Pay attention to any slippage tolerance settings or other options provided by the DEX. Now you need to confirm the swap. So once you have reviewed the transaction details, tap on the swap or exchange button to initiate the swap. Trust Wallet will generate a transaction request. Now approve the transaction. So Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction, confirm the transaction details, review the gas fee, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the approval process. Now wait for the swap to complete. So after approving the transaction, you will need to wait for the swap to be processed on the blockchain. This process may take a few moments to several minutes depending on network congestion. Now, this is the last step. You need to verify your TRX balance. So once the swap is completed, you should see the TRX balance reflected in your Trust Wallet. You can check your wallet balance by navigating to the Wallet or Assets section within the Trust Wallet app. Remember to exercise caution when using the centralized exchanges and ensure that you are on a legitimate and secure platform. Verify the transaction details before confirming any swaps and be mindful of gas fees and any market conditions. Okay, so that is how you change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.